So today we do some easy science experiments. So let's get started. So our first experiment is oxygen exchange geyser. For making this we need a plate, a candle and a glass, and put like this. Fire needs oxygen to sustain itself. The glass prevents the fire from consuming any more oxygen. Once the fire in the glass has consumed all the oxygen, the fire goes out. Now moving to our second experiment. Now our second experiment is underwater candle experiment. So for making this we need a plate and a piece of paper. Now we have to soak with water and a piece of potato. Now we have to take two matchsticks and put like this. And now add colored water in it. Now put the glass like this. Now see, the flame uses the oxygen in the cup, creating low pressure atmospheric pressure, then tries to force its way in because the water at the base of the cup has created an airtight seal. The pressure differences between the inside and outside the cup causes the water to raise until pressure inside the cup is equal to the pressure outside. Now moving to our third experiment. Now our third experiment is atmospheric pressure. So for making this we need a glass and a piece of cardboard. Now we have to fill the water with top. Now put the cardboard at the top of the glass. Like this. Now see this, the atmospheric pressure. Now our fourth experiment is fire on water. For making this we need a glass with half of water. Now add any nail polish. Now we have to like this. Now see, fire on water. Thank you so much.